But 10 Arizonans are getting married less and divorcing more. In fact, our divorce rate is 15% higher than the national average. Cue the fight over the house and the car and the kids. But what about our pets? ABC 15's Faye Fredericks explaining that part of the battle tonight.
Come on, babies.
Big or small, loud or a whole litter full, we love our pets.
But what happens if we end up loving our pet more than our spouse or significant other? Well, that's when pet parents could end up diving into doggy divorce court.
Arizona is one of a few states that does not have any pet custody laws when it comes to dissolution of marriage.
Navigating that process is where family law attorney Norma Izzo comes in.
It becomes a very heated topic for families as they move through the transition of divorce.
Like houses or cars, pets in Arizona are treated as property by the courts, with a judge likely to look at when the pet was acquired, before or after the marriage, who paid for the pet, the needs of the pet, and the interests of the family as a whole. And while we usually think of dogs as protecting their owners, Izzo says pet parents can also protect their dogs and cats if there's violence in the home.
A victim or that owns a pet can include the pet on the request for protection if there's credible threat that the pet could be harmed.
You can even list your fur baby in a cohabitation agreement or a puppy prenup, if you will, or final divorce papers, she says. But don't count on the courts to enforce it if your split turns into a full-on cat fight. Faye Fredericks, ABC 15, Arizona.
Yeah, that's a lot. So your best bet, try to work out an arrangement with your former partner, even if it means sharing pet parenting duties. Izzo says if you leave it up to the courts, you never know what the judge may decide.